What up, what up? It's your guy Brahma, and in this video, I'm about to drop a banging beat using this free Apeshyt Rampage plugin. You can download it right here in the description. The link is right there. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I drop some new heat or when I drop some more gems. Okay, we're going to get straight to it. We're not going to waste no time. Let's get it. Okay. So let me know how you feel about this beat in the comments. I just wanted to drop something real quick to give you an example of how great this plugin sounds. Some producers see it on the website, they see it's for free, so they're like, well, it can't be dope. But we put as much love and passion into this plugin as the other Apeshyt plugins on the website. So make sure you go grab that. You need this in your arsenal. It's 100% free. Link in the description. Make sure you drop a comment to leave some love. I'll be dropping some more heat like this, okay? Go grab the plugin. I'll see you in the next video.